Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay guys, this is chapter 15, problem 2. In this question, we're given that we're in a town with many grocery stores and each of the stores face the same marginal cost. And for this first part of the question, we're asked to assume that they're now in a competitive industry where all the grocery stores are competing with each other, and we want to draw the graph of the industry and show the consumer and producer in total surplus. And so here we have the graph, right? We have quantity and we have price, and we have, as always, a downward facing demand curve. And now we have, because we're in a competitive industry, the marginal revenue is going to equal demand, and we have this constant marginal cost. And so we're going to produce here at a price that's equal to the marginal cost. All of this is going to be the consumer surplus. There's going to be no producer surplus because we're in a perfectly competitive industry and we have a constant marginal cost. And so there's no difference between the price charged and the marginal cost for any quantity. And so consumer surplus is going to equal total surplus, and there's going to be zero dead weight loss. Zero dead weight loss. For the second part of the question, we are being told that now all of those grocery stores have become one big monopoly grocery store, and draw the same graph again, showing the producer surplus, consumer surplus, total surplus, as well as the dead weight loss. And so now we're in a monopoly industry. And so we have a downward sloping demand curve, but we also have a marginal revenue curve that is below the demand curve, and we still have this constant marginal cost. And so here in the monopoly industry, the producer is going to produce where the marginal revenue equals the marginal cost. So here's what's going to be produced, but they can charge up here on the demand curve. So here's the price that's going to be charged. So now we have, this is going to be the consumer surplus. All of this now, between the price that's charged and the marginal cost, this is going to be the producer surplus. And here we have our dead weight loss. And so we see now there's both consumer and producer surplus. Here's total surplus. The consumer surplus compared to the previous question is much smaller. Now we also have producer surplus, and we have this dead weight loss. So this was chapter 15, problem 2.